Holla at your boy Bok Choy. It's Tommy, and I think we need a new intro soon. I think we need to become the Be the Change Army. So, how are y'all doing? It's Sunday, January 6th, and it's game day. Eagles are playing. Go Birds. Just came up here to get my keys. I'm going to head to the gym because I really need to stretch and run today. And from there, we're going to come back home and watch the Birds play, watch the Bolts play, watch everything that's good. See my dogs? Row, 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 row. Hi. Oh, you want your tummy rubbed? What are you... Damn. Got back from the gym. We ate. Now we're chilling watching the Bolts game, seeing the Ravens have 6 total passing yards going into the 4th quarter. God, this is ugly. Jake's going to be super happy because Bolts are dominating. Besides that, we're just chilling. All right, we're out at the shed getting the box for the Christmas tree. Eagles are playing. I believe they're kicking a field goal right now. I watched up until it was 4th down, then decided to come get this before anything interesting happened. So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Just going to chill and watch the Eagles and get way too excited. But, you know, sometimes you pull it off, you know, gotta wear the underdog shirt because that's what we are again. So let's see what happens. Breeze down, kind of sad. Ready to go back to school. Go Birds. That was thrilling. And I thought it was snowing, but I guess not. I don't know what's falling down, but go Birds. Shout out to Cody Parkey, former Eagles kicker. Feel bad for him, as someone tweeted out, most hated man in Chicago, most loved man in Philly. But on to Saints next week. Super nervous for that one. Very nervous. 45-7. Let's try and redeem ourselves. Go Birds. All right, Clemson game going on. Finishing editing today's video. I can't wait to get back to school, be with all my friends, be able to start filming some incredible things. T-shirt sales end tonight. I need to sell 2 more. So not a big deal. If not, we'll just get them ordered. If you don't order a shirt now, and then you come back and watch us in the future, you know, when we have like millions of subscribers, don't worry. We'll be releasing a summer t-shirt or something like that. We already have an idea in the works. If you want me to change the colorway, let me know down in the comments below. But once we get back to school, big thing, we're really going to be working on being the change and promoting that beyond belief and doing things to make a change in the world, because that's what this channel is all about. It's not about the subscribers. Like, yes, we want to, ooh, almost fell. Yes, we want to grow and all these things, but the most important thing is being the change and showing that to people so that they know that they can be the change too. That's what we're all about. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps us get our message out to everyone. Like this video, and don't forget to be the change.